Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Fraha here, back again on your screen with another video. Yes guys, our girl is looking all dolled up, as you can see. Yeah, I did some makeup today, did some photo shoot, so I thought let not this makeup go to waste. So I decided to just go to dinner with my partner and also to thank him. He was very helpful during the photo shoot, so I thought let's treat him a bit for a dinner, you know. Yeah, so we decided to go to CHARCHOMA. This is my first time there. I've never been there, so I decided let's just go check it out, see what are the vibes, yeah, and just have dinner, come back home and relax. We are so tired, yeah, but I thought let me start this vlog here. Yes, and I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below, let me know what you think. And if you're new, remember to subscribe and join the Fraha squad. If you're always coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot. Yeah, so that's the fit, that's my hair. I know by now you knew that I colored my hair and I love it so much. I can't wait to play around with it. And this is the fit bodysuit from Slay with Thrift Instagram. This is another mom jeans. I'm gonna link the name here, and I'm just wearing black flats. I think that's just casual, and I'm matching my partner. So yeah, period. Let's go.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Unplanned meetups are the best. Impromptu. Cheers to the birthday, man.
The best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild, we're gonna be, two hearts running wild.
Hey!
What are those?
Hey! Hey guys, so I'm back home. Yeah, all I wanna do is to remove my makeup and relax. I feel so good, I feel so relaxed. So guys, yeah, I really enjoyed the food, I really enjoyed the cocktails. I really need to go back there and explore some more. Yeah, and it's not far where I stay, so it was so easy to get there. We love the service, we really love the service. We were treated so well, and the food was just, it didn't take long for the food. So yeah, I recommend CHARCHOMA. Being the first time there, I really enjoyed, and the way it is set up, it's so beautiful. I need to go back there when it's really like to have like a sundowner. Yeah, I can't wait for that. So yeah guys, I really enjoyed myself. Oh, this birthday month, yo. It's so much fun. And later on, by the way guys, my friend Mary joined us for some drinks, and we really enjoyed together as usual. we are such a vibe together, and we bonded and have fun. So catch you up later, guys. Okay. Hey loves, catching up with the vlog. So today is on a Saturday. I'm working at around 5 p.m. and my brother has demanded a meal. Yeah, pilau ya kuku, pilau ya kuku. So I wanna do 1, 2, 3, just wash utensils and then start prepping for the meal so that I can be able to prepare it by the time he comes in the evening. I'll be working, so I want my meal to be ready, so I thought I should just include this in this video. You know what, as you all know, we sometimes cook in this channel, so let's do that. So I decided not to put tomatoes on my pilau today, so I want to just cut this and then prep the chicken. So here's the chicken, and as I showed you, this is what I'm gonna use to marinate it, just to make it tastier. And then I added some ginger and garlic so that some I can put them here. So let me do that real quick. I'm also boiling water because I can't use the kettle right now. We have no steamer. We've been struggling with steamer all throughout lately. It's just annoying. So yeah, this is everything I need to cook my meal. So let me go ahead and do that. Marinated it, looks so good. So I can't leave it for some time to marinate because I'm in a hurry. So I'll just go ahead and fry it a little bit to have that nice taste before now I go ahead and cook pilau. So using the same oil because it infused with good things. So let me start cooking. Hey guys, catching up with the vlog. So this is just a random day on a Thursday. I'm on a 5 p.m. shift today at work. So I decided to go to Kongowea. I need to go find some swimming costume and some shorts. Yeah, because I'm going to a birthday vacation. I think I'm gonna upload this video even after the birthday one. So yeah. So this is where I got those shorts. If you saw it, I'm hoping. So let me go find some shorts, swimming costume. That's all I need. Yeah, that's all I need. So I'm going to Kongowea. This is like a Gikomba of Mombasa. So a girl just did a skincare routine. Lots of sunscreen, lots of sunscreen because my arms are exposed. A hat, this jumpsuit from Beba Beba in my Denry bag, and these I got this from Kongowea also. They're very comfy and good for my feet, so that's what I'm wearing. Pretty simple. And this is nice because I can wear the shorts on top of it. It's very light, so it will help me just to fit the shorts on top of it. So yeah, that was the best option because of that. So let's go. I'm hoping to find cute tops and shorts. Yeah, let me hope so. Let's go. Guys, so I'm back and I got some groceries: sweet potatoes, carrots, Irish potatoes, lemons, all of these 50 bob, um, fruits, tomatoes, these are omenas, onions, more fruits, and ginger. So basically that's what I've added. So let me show you the other items. So I got some shorts. This is what I ended up with. This one, so cute. I got also this denim one, really cute. Also got another black denim. And I got also got a white one. So basically I got 4 shorts. So yeah, most of them were 150, 200 there. So I think that was enough for me. I also got a hat, you know, for vacation. Then I managed to get the swimming costume, so I got these two. I got a black one, which is adjustable at the back, and I got this blue one, blue and white. Love the style at the back. So that's basically it for me in terms of shorts and swimming. Also, my partner got some shorts. Did I show them? I also added some bras because I needed some more. So I got these ones, really quality. Got these 3 ones. And then I got a bralette because the one I have needs another one. So I got a black one. This can go well with a high waist. And I got a sports bra because a girl is about to be fit. love the material, and the fitting is quite nice. For 250, I think it's quite nice. So that's basically it, guys, for this haul. I want to get ready and go ahead to work. Catch you up later, okay? Hey guys, catching up with this vlog. So this vlog is cutting across before I traveled and after the birthday celebration. So this is me after like a few days after us coming from Watamu. So I've been really working the first days that I came. Immediately that day we came, I started working that day, and the following day, and the following day. So this is like Thursday. I was to go somewhere with Giriama Queen today, but the weather really disappointed us. Let me show. So that's the weather, guys. That's what we are dealing with the whole day. So we decided not to because it could have ruined the whole thing. So yeah. So because of that weather, which we appreciate now because at least it's not a bit hot. Yeah, we are experiencing some cozy coldness. Yeah, so I've been editing my birthday vlog that will be up before this vlog. So yeah, I've been editing, and as you saw earlier, I showed you I cooked breakfast. That recipe for potatoes, I know it doesn't look aesthetically, but it's yummy. If you love potatoes, you love it, you love it. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. Check it out. I have the full recipe explaining everything on my channel playlist. When you go to recipe playlist, you'll see it, so check it out. And right now I'm just editing, and then I'm gonna cook dinner tonight. Yeah, I wanna cook something nice. I will just chill with my partner, eat, because today I'm off, and tomorrow I have like an 11 a.m. shift, so I'm not that in a rush. So I'm gonna just cook a nice dinner, we eat, catch up some movies, and call it a day. So that is just me updating this vlog. Yeah, yesterday I went to shopping. But after shopping I passed by my other friend Doreen to catch up, so I didn't vlog much. I'm sure I just showed you some snippets here and there. I didn't shoot much, but basically we needed to go to the supermarket, get some items that we didn't buy previously when we went to Congo. Where now I'm sorted for the month. Hey guys, future Miss Furaha here. I was actually editing this vlog now, and I realized I didn't do an outro. I didn't end the vlog, yeah, because it was a bit everywhere, but I hope you have enjoyed it nevertheless. Yeah, it was such a nice one. Just hanging out, cooking, you know, guys, I love cooking. By the way, do you guys enjoy me including the cooking videos in the vlogs, or would you wish for me to do like a separate recipes like I used to do before? Let me know in the comment section. I will really appreciate your feedback, and hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, if you have, please give me those likes. Just click that like button. Let me know in the comment section what you liked about the vlog, and if you're new, remember to subscribe and join the Furaha family. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.